Okay guys, so in this recording I'm going to show you how to simply get Wabbit working. Okay, so you're going to start by opening it, and the first thing you need to click is the very bottom choice. We're going to create a ROM and choose next. Okay, now at this point this is really up to you and or your teacher. We have a couple different 84 options. We have the 84 Plus, the 84 SE, and then this last option is the color version. So I kind of think that's a cool option to choose, so that's the one I'm just going to use for this video, but you might ask your teacher if they want to have a different option. So once we choose that, we're going to hit next, and we're going to check to see if there's any version that's further than 4.0, and since that's the best, we're going to choose that one. We're going to finish. Okay, it's going to ask us to name our file. I'm just going to call it Wabbit. And we're going to save that. And then it's going to download the operating system. And here is our Wabbit. Now, obviously, that does not look like the calculator you are used to. So to make it look like something you've seen, we're going to go into View, and we're going to enable the skin. So at that point, you should have a calculator that you've seen before, and it should be working. Now, I have encountered a few cases where it didn't quite work the way we wanted it to. Okay, so if you're going through and it's not hitting the buttons that it's supposed to, it is possible that you need to debug it. Okay, so if you do need to debug it, it's not hitting the correct buttons. This one seems to be working just fine. But if yours is not, all you have to do is debug and have a reset the calculator. Okay, and then exit out of it. So you totally close it down and then reopen it, and that should make everything work the way it's supposed to. This calculator is a little bit slower than the one you're probably used to, but it is very effective. And you're also able to multitask within the screen menus. So if I had another something open, so let's just say I had, let's just say my App Store, and I wanted to have two separate windows open at the same time, I can drag in over and pull this to the side till it opens. And maybe I have Metamoji open at the same time and I'm trying to write on my assignment. I'm able to do both at the same time.